Welcome to this video. In today's episode, we will introduce you to a high-quality medical wig product, GIGI, which combines breathability with a natural look, making it a great choice for customers who are looking for comfort and aesthetics. The GIGI headgear features a hand-tied lace top for breathability and a natural look. The front is equipped with anti-slip silicone strips to prevent slipping and ensure stability over long periods of time. The headgear has a built-in elastic band for size adjustment, with double locks to accommodate different head sizes, which can be easily adjusted for a firm and snug fit. The crown and back are made of open machine-made weft to ensure breathability. And the GIGI headgear is medium cap size. The curvature of the headgear is perfectly fitted to fit most of the client's head shapes, which emphasizes the natural effect. GIGI's hair density is 140%. The raw material is virgin hair. The length is 14 inches. Natural straight hair, soft and natural. We offer more than 10 color options. Shown in this video is Color 30R. The GIGI head cover is a high-end product that combines comfort, stability, and a natural look, making it an ideal choice for you. Thanks for watching this video, and feel free to subscribe to the Bono Hair channel.